this time we are going to be dealing with, this is actually example 2 in your book. Sorry, example 1, the only example, I'm pretty sure. Yep, the only example in your book, and they are doing their factorization without the box. So I will show you how to do this. All right, again, these two terms are products. This is a sum or difference. So we're going to look at the two endpoints again. 7x squared can equal, since 7 is a prime number, it can only equal x times 7x. So I know to start with 7x plus something and x plus something else, right? 4 can equal 2 times 2 or 1 times 4. So we will either put a 2 here and a 2 here, or we'll put a 1 here and a 4 here, or a 4 and a 1 there. So we have to think about 12x and what we can add together in order to get 12. So we know 7 times something plus something times 1. So let's think about this. What 12 minus 7? We can get a 5, right? But we need 1 and 4. So let's try this. Let's try putting a 1 here and actually, let's try putting a 2 here. My mistake. 2 here and a 2 here. There's no 7 times 2 is going to be 14. And then we have a 2 here, which means we'll have to subtract, probably. Let's try this. So that's not going to work. Let's try a 4 and a 1. So now we're going to get 4x plus 7x, right? Which should only get us 11x. So let's try x plus 1, x plus 4. So we're going to get 7x times 4, which is going to be 28x and x. So that definitely cannot be it. Let's try then. Let's try this. Coming over here. 7x. Let's try minus 4 here. And, sorry, that's supposed to be an x plus 1. We'll get negative 4x. 7x, that will give us 3x. I see what we did wrong. So this is a minus, right? Which means one of these has to be a negative. Which means, let's go back to this one. We change one of these 2's. Let's change this 2 to a negative. Here, I'm going to bring this down here. 7x minus 2 x plus 2. We will get 7x squared here to here. Then plus 14x minus 2x minus 4. Sorry, I didn't write down what we did there. Which can be simplified to 7x squared plus 12x minus 4. There we go. Alright, so this is a good example of being very careful about our negatives compared to our positives. Because since this is a negative, we need one of these to be a negative, which is why this was wrong initially, but we fixed it. So careful about the negatives. If you have any questions, send me a message and I will try and help you as best as possible.